Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning back for another video. So guys, from the title of today's video, you already know what it is. It's going to be a skincare and shower routine, so watch and be blessed. So guys, lately I have been having serious acne flare-ups. Like, they've just been so crazy, and I'm trying so much to manage them and control them. So I start with my face wash. It's very important that you wash your face properly. Take at least 60 seconds, a minute to wash your face, so you get rid of those sweat, dirt and oil buildup that might be on your face. Then I rinse off and I pat dry with my face towel. Guys, if you're new to this channel, our major rule here is that we do not use our body towel to clean our face, so get yourself a good face towel. Then I want to shave my face. This is actually going to be the second time that I'm shaving my face, and I really do like the outcome. It is super amazing, and I highly recommend that shave your face as often as you can. Guys, the outcome is just so amazing. If you're a skincare lover, your skincare products are going to absorb better on your skin, and if you're a makeup girly, trust me, your makeup is just going to look effortlessly amazing. First rule of shaving your face is you want to get yourself a face oil, a face gel, something that just helps the blade glide swiftly on your face, because you don't want to nick or cut yourself. And that's basically what I do. And guys, can you see the amount of hair that I was able to get out of my face? This is why I highly recommend that you shave your face. So I just want to get rid of that excess oil, and I go back with my face wash just to, get rid of that oil that's on my face. Then I rinse and pat dry. So guys, next it's time for some clay masks. And if you're an oily skin body, you struggle a whole lot with oil production like I do, I highly recommend that you get yourself clay masks. Ever since I started incorporating clay masks into my skincare routine, my oil production has been very manageable. This is why I highly recommend it. You might be wondering, why is this girl using plastic plates and spoons to apply these masks on her face? This is because using metallic wares like your metal plates, your metal spoons to make your clay masks is a no. It reduces the efficacy of your marks, so I highly recommend that you use plastic wares or wooden wares. So guys, I am making my clay marks into a very light consistency because I want this to quickly dry off from my face.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's been over 10 minutes and the mask has dried. Then I go to rinse it off. Guys, can you see how smooth my skin looks? I was just feeling myself. Then I pat dry with my face towel, and I go in with my sheet masks. This is actually the first time that I'm going to be using a charcoal purifying sheet mask. I've used other hydrating sheet masks, but when I saw this, I was like, girl, I have to get this. So I'm going to be applying this on my face, and guys, it smells really funky but it's super hydrating, and I highly recommend it as well. So guys, after a whole lot of time, the mask has finally agreed to stay on my face, and I'm going to be leaving this on my face for about 15 minutes, and I get ready for my shower. So for my shower routine, I start with getting my body wet, and I go in with my shower gel, and this is the palm olive shower gel, and I get myself my exfoliating gloves. If you do not have yourself an exfoliating gloves, like, what are you doing in the shower? I love using an exfoliating glove because it just exfoliates my skin. Technically, it makes my skin feel so soft, smooth, and it just makes me feel super clean whenever I do this. So that's basically what I do. And guys, I also scrub my legs because I used to struggle a whole lot with strawberry legs, spots on my legs. But ever since I started focusing on exfoliating my body, using my exfoliating gloves, it has like really reduced. So I highly recommend that you get yourself an exfoliating glove if you do not have any. And that's basically what I do. I just like clean my body, and yeah. And guys, next I go with my body scrub. I've been using this Kebu milk and yogurt for quite a while now, and it's almost finished, and I decided to switch things up, and I got the other variant, which is the mixed fruits. And guys, it smells so good. If you want to smell fresh out of the shower, I highly recommend that you get yourself fruity scrubs and shower gels. Like, it just makes you smell really good. So I really take out time to exfoliate my body, most especially my neck, parts of my body where I struggle with dark discoloration, hyperpigmentation, which is my neck, my elbows, my knuckles, generally my body. I just take out time to do this, and this is like a way of romanticizing life, So I just really take out time to do that. You see me scrubbing my knuckles because they usually get dark at times, just to do that. Then I scrub my legs. Guys, I told you that I used to struggle a whole lot with strawberry legs and spots on my body, but ever since I started really taking out time to exfoliate my skin, it has really reduced. So guys, I just rinse off all of that, and yeah, that's basically it. And guys, can you see how good my skin is looking so fresh? If you do not know the right way to shower, guys, this is it. You're supposed to wash then scrub. So guys, if you do not know what this is, this just means that you haven't watched my previous video. I'm going to put a link so you get to know what this is. And guys, I'm done with my shower, and you can just see how good my skin looks. Like, guys, my skin looks so good, feels so fresh, I look so radiant. And yeah, I just decided to take off the mask because it was about time, and my skin looks so hydrated. This is why I highly recommend that you incorporate sheet masks into your skincare routine. I just rubbed that goodness all over my face. And guys, I was just checking out myself because I was looking really good. So next, I go in with my vitamin C serum, and this is the Russian vitamin C serum. I apply that on my face and on my neck, and I just rub that all in. Yeah, so that's basically it. And guys, next I go in with my Dr. Rashe vitamin C and niacinamide essence toner. This toner is super hydrating. If you struggle with dry skin or your skin doesn't look all the brightest, always feeling dull, I highly recommend that you get yourself hydrating toners like this because it is really good. It's super hydrating and it makes your skin really supple. So guys, next I go in with my facial moisturizer, and this is the goji berry facial cream. It contains hyaluronic acid and a whole lot of good stuff, so best believe that I'm gonna be using that. So I just apply that on my face, my neck. Guys, do not forget your neck. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. And next I go in with my sunscreen to seal up the deal, because you cannot be applying all these products and not putting on sunscreen, because guys, the sun is so harsh and it can predispose you to having skin cancer and getting your skin damaged by sunburns and all of those things, and we don't want that. So I'm going to be using my Area sunblock, and I applied that using the 2-finger rules so that you get enough sun protection both on your face and your neck. And guys, that's basically my skincare routine. And yeah, and guys, lastly, I just like to go in with my lip balm. And this lip balm, I love it because it contains beeswax, which is super good for your lips. You can also apply this on places of your face where you've been affected with sunburn. And guys, that's basically it. So lastly, I go in with my body care, and all I use on my body is just my body moisturizer and my body oil, just to seal up all of those moisture. And guys, that's it for my body see my skincare routine and my shower routine. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. So guys, I'm done with my skincare routine, and you can tell because my skin looks so good, and my shower routine as well. Showed you guys all the products that I use. My skin looks so radiant, and I am super excited that I was able to do this. I highly recommend that you do this to your skin once in a while. I know that life gets busy, school, your business, job, work, all of those things can make you so stressed and not get time to give your skin the love that it requires. But guys, I highly recommend that you do this because the outcome is out of this world. Anyways guys, if you've watched this video up to this point, please give this video a very big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you are yet subscribed to the channel. And guys, until my next one, bye.